Stop taking snapshots and start creating. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. So here's a simple idea that can completely change the way you take photographs. Now, snapshots aren't bad. They're fast, reactive, and perfect for capturing memories, birthdays, holidays, and those moments you definitely don't want to miss. In fact, snapshots are exactly why many of us picked up the camera in the first place. But intentional photography is different. It's the moment you move from, I don't want to miss this, to, I want to say something with this. And that's a very powerful shift, because the best photos don't just record what was there. They guide the viewer towards what matters. So before you press the shutter, ask yourself, why am I taking this photo? What do I want people to notice first? And what am I prepared to wait for? Now here's the takeaway. Snapshots react to what's there. Intentional photography anticipates what could be. And if you'd like to go deeper into this idea, check out episode 8 of my Ultimate Checklist series here. So next time you pick up your camera, slow down for just 5 seconds and shoot with purpose. That was your Focus Bite. And better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.